Hello everyone, welcome back to Trip Time, where today we'll be discussing our new pre-trip product, which is the best thing you can take before a psychedelic journey. Whether you're a seasoned psychonaut or just curious about it, we've got you covered.
Today, we're going to explore how our pre-trip product promotes a serene mind and soothes your stomach.
Introducing our convenient, fast, and effective pre-trip supplement sold in a single serving packet, perfect for your psychedelic journey whenever you need it. Formulated with 13 different scientifically researched ingredients and contains 6 capsules and 1 soft gel. Designed to be taken 30 to 60 minutes before your experience, it helps elevate your trip and ensures a smooth, more enjoyable journey.
This product has been carefully crafted to ensure that it does not block or blunt or interfere with the psychedelic experience in any way.
We will be doing a separate deep dive into each ingredient and the scientific research behind why we chose the specific amount of each component as well. Before we get going, I want to emphasize that this is separate from my role as a licensed psilocybin facilitator.
And this is separate from my role in naturopathic medicine. To clarify, we never recommend the use of illegal substances.
Let's hop right into the ingredients overview.
To start off, we're using 500 milligrams of a high-potency ginger extract. This powerful ingredient is designed to ease the stomach. Ginger is known to actively block the 5-HT3 serotonin receptors, which are commonly affected by psychedelics. There's side effects of increased activity at 5-HT3 receptors, which commonly cause an unsettled stomach. So containing massively 20% gingerols and shogalls, our ginger extract is approximately 25 times more potent than non-extracted ginger root powder.
Yeah, which is what you'll most commonly find. We also include 2 forms of magnesium with high bioavailability, strucosoma magnesium and magnesium taurine. These not only provide 310 milligrams of elemental magnesium, but also 920 milligrams of taurine, a relaxing amino acid at an effective dose. Magnesium gently blocks the NMDA receptors, promoting a calm mind while also relaxing the muscles and supporting cardiovascular health. All important factors during a stimulating psychedelic experience. Taurine, on the other hand, acts to the GABA A and glycine receptors to further calm the mind. Plus, it supports the cardiovascular system.
And then next in our list, we have 400 milligrams of palmitoylethanolamide, otherwise known as PEA. This calming anti-inflammatory endocannabinoid molecule is produced within our own bodies, and it synergizes really well with CBD, which is one of our other ingredients. PEA may decrease cortisol levels. It also may increase levels of the neurotransmitter, the calming neurotransmitter GABA.
Mm-hmm.
It also inhibits the FAAH enzyme, the fatty acid amide hydrolase enzyme, which supports stomach comfort potentially through more calming effects as well.
We also include 300 milligrams of L-Theanine, which is a calming amino acid that reduces stress and increases balanced, calming alpha brainwaves. Like taurine, L-Theanine also acts on the GABA A receptors, promoting a calm mind while maintaining alertness and focus.
Another calming amino acid, Agmatine, is included in our product at 250 milligrams. This is derived from arginine and produced within our own bodies as well.
Mm-hmm.
Agmatine helps increase blood flow and support cardiovascular well-being, super important during the stimulating psychedelic experience. Agmatine blocks NMDA receptors in a different way than magnesium does, providing even more calming effects, and is also known to uplift the mood.
Up next is 48 milligrams of active vitamin B6 and 90 milligrams of vitamin C. Both of these vitamins provide stomach comfort benefits and act as cofactors in the production of calming neurotransmitters. Vitamin B6 in particular has been extensively researched and is well known for its use in easing stomach discomfort. Vitamin C, on the other hand, acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals in the body and preventing the oxidation of food. This helps maintain the quality and longevity of these capsules.
Yeah, we then have 200 milligrams of ginseng extract, standardized to 20% ginsenosides. This traditional plant, well known for a lot of its benefits like the energy levels, mood, and stress, but it surprisingly also has a unique element of stomach discomfort support. So we also know that the ginsenosides in ginseng extract can block the 5-HT3 receptors as well, differently from ginger, but also ginger is working on these 5-HT3 receptors. We see more stomach comfort through ginseng. And it also decreases cortisol while supporting vitality and alertness.
Our final ingredient in the 6 capsules, remember that there's 6 capsules in one soft gel. So the final ingredient in the 6 capsules includes 200 milligrams of quercetin phytosome. This high bioavailability form of quercetin targets stomach comfort through a unique mechanism untouched by any of the other ingredients. Quercetin can block the dopamine D2 receptors in the gastrointestinal tract, which are targeted to ease the stomach. These receptors are also blocked by some pharmaceuticals for the same purpose. By using the phytosome version of this ingredient, 10 to 20 times more quercetin is able to enter the bloodstream compared to generic quercetin products. Again, we're using the most high bioavailability products we can with this.
Yeah, and then our single soft gel, again, that last final component of our package is that individual soft gel containing 70 milligrams of CBD, 30 milligrams of CBDA, and 25 milligrams of the plant terpene linalool. So these 3 ingredients are all fat soluble. They're loaded into coconut oil and then placed into a soft gel for optimal bioavailability.
Mm-hmm.
They further enhance the stomach comfort and calm the mind as well, and also calm the body even more. These ingredients are huge, extremely important elements for increasing stomach comfort.
CBD has been researched to support a calm mind and a calm stomach. It works through a unique mechanism by activating the 5-HT1A receptors, also known as the serotonin 1A receptors, along with other receptors, including potent blocking of the 5-HT3 receptors, yet again, like the ginger and ginseng.
CBDA exhibits a stomach soothing effect that's potentially 1,000 times stronger than CBD. We already know CBD has that effect.
Mm-hmm.
And we also see improved bioavailability and unique complementary action when paired with CBD.
Again, highlighting 1,000 times potentially
1,000
stronger than CBDs, that CBDA in that stomach soothing effect.
It's huge. And then linalool is the final ingredient, the plant terpene component within lavender essential oil. It's super well known for its calming effects. We all know about lavender being calming. And it's both calming to the mind and the stomach, is some other research we found, is that it helps the stomach as well.
That concludes our brief pre-trip product overview. We are beyond excited to deliver the first ever product designed specifically to enhance the psychedelic experience by reducing stomach discomfort, promoting a serene and calm mind, promoting cardiovascular well-being, and easing overall physical tension. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, elevate your trip.